Hi friends, today the topic is introduction to Python. What is Python? Okay. Python is a popular programming language. So why did you prefer this is popular programming language? Okay. So before that, it was created by Guido van Rossum in the year of 1991. Guido van Rossum. Okay. So the major applications of Python, one is web development, that is in terms of we prefer this server side, okay. And software development, you can design what type of softwares do you want, you can design with the help of Python. Okay. Generally, that is widely used in mathematics. Mathematics is widely we prefer that probability, statistics, okay, and all type of equations. I mean all arithmetics, whatever the logical operations you have, all are implemented with the help of this Python. Okay. Next, why do you prefer Python? Major concentration of this concept is, once again I am going to these applications, this different types of that you can create web applications, software to create workflow, and Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files, all type of applications this, okay. And mathematics, Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics like probability, statistics, and various equations and various mathematical algorithms, methodologies like that. Python can be used for a rapid prototyping or for production ready software development, that is. And system scripting. System scripting is after having particular algorithm, you can write step by step lines, okay. Then you can design step 1, step 2, step 3 like that. All are can be executed with the help of this Python. That is nothing but system scripting. Okay. Next one is, why do you prefer Python? Python. So that is a work on different platforms. Generally, we prefer that Windows, Mac, okay, Linux, Raspberry Pi, all type of platforms you can work, you can implement with the help of Python. Okay, that is a major factor we prefer Python is the best as compared to other programming languages. Okay. Next one is the Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Okay. Almost all syntax are very similar to English language. That's why everyone can easily understand and write the program. Okay. Next one is, Python has syntax that allows developers to write the programs with fewer lines. Okay, with the help of that few lines you can get the exact result. Okay, and as compared to other languages, you have to assign what type of type is for variables like that. Okay, but no need to mention all type of types. Simply you can write what type of steps you have. Okay, that is a major advantage of Python. Okay, and Python runs on an interpreter system. What is meant by interpreter system? That meaning that the code can be executed as soon as it is written. You can convert it from one domain to another domain and you can execute. Okay, and you can check the errors and you can run the program. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Okay. and one is Python can be treated in a in terms of that procedural way, objective oriented, functional way. Okay. Okay, what is the new versions for Python? Okay, the most recent major version of Python is Python 3. Okay, we have Python 2 also, although that not being updated with anything other than security updates. So, is still quite popular is the Python 3.